I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Payoneer app can streamline your transactions. Follow these steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Open the Payoneer app. Launch the Payoneer app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once you are in the app, look for the settings option, usually found in a menu at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the settings menu, find and tap on payment methods. This section allows you to manage your linked cards and bank accounts. Step 4. Add a new card. Tap on the Add New Card button. Enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card information, review it for accuracy and hit Confirm to save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification. Make sure to double-check your card details, as entering an incorrect expiration date can lead to errors. Once you've completed these steps, your debit card should be linked to your Payoneer account. Happy transacting!